Hi, good day M6024. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, good day, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Maria Cindy Obito. I'm 30 years old. I'm married with one daughter. She is 2 years old. I'm a high school graduate. My religion is Roman Catholic. My experience is Saudi Arabia. I'm 2 years and 3 months. I'm three members of family and two couples and one newborn.
Other household chores that you do.
Cooking, iron, cleaning, and washing
O-
clothes.
Okay. Um, so you have an experience taking care of a newborn baby in Saudi, right?
Yes.
And you are served 2 years and 3 months. So you know how to prepare a meal for a newborn.
Yes.
So it is okay to take care of a newborn, right?
Yes.
If the baby is crying, what will you do?
I call my employer. I check my temperature, and if you're hungry, if I pull diaper,
Okay. And if the baby doesn't stop to cry, what will you do?
I call my employer. I ask what will I do.
Okay, to the baby.
Yes.
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because I want to work Hong Kong because Hong Kong is beautiful and the people is so kind.
So it is okay. So you want to work in Hong Kong because the country is beautiful and also a safe country, right?
Yes.
Okay. And how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
5 years or more than.
So it is okay to you to extended your contract.
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, but I want to learn how to cook
And how will
by
you learn?
by YouTube or recipe books.
Okay. And also, you could ask your mom and sir if you got an employer in Hong Kong. You could ask them if they could teach you how to prepare, right?
Yes.
Okay. If your employer prepare food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they
Yes.
provide. Is okay?
Yes.
Okay. How about cutting your hair into short?
Yes, sir.
How about sharing room with kids?
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share jobs or the helper.
Yes, sir.
How about work on Sunday or in a holiday setup by your employer?
Yes, sir.
If your employer have pets on their house, it is okay to you to take care of them.
Yes, sir.
How about taking care of elderly, help them go to bed, to the bathroom?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn their language.
Yes, sir.
Okay. My last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
To all Hong Kong employer, please choose me because I'm honest, patient, I understanding. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss
Thank you.
Maria Simoy. Thank you.